Hi, how are you doing? This is Myky from Electronic Team, and in this video I will show you how to mount Android phone on Mac. Today, we're going to demonstrate the best way to connect your device to your Mac and transfer files. You'll learn how to get full access to the data on your cameras, video cameras, and Android devices. Imagine my pleasant surprise when I discovered that my favorite app, Commander One, also serves as a great Android MTP Mac software. If you haven't watched any of my videos about Commander One yet, you miss out on a lot of useful information. Therefore, it makes sense to subscribe to the channel and like it right now. Commander One lets you conveniently browse files on your devices from your Mac, or move any of them to your Mac and back to your device if you need to. Let me show you how to connect your Android device. First, download Commander One if you haven't already, for example from the App Store. Next, connect your Android device with a USB cable. Go to the connection settings on your phone and turn on the MTP mode. Now I can see all the files stored on my phone and can easily drag and drop them between folders in different panels. But I want to note that you can also connect, for example, another device, my camera, which is currently filming me, and transfer the footage without removing the memory card. Now I'll talk about the specifics of connecting devices using the MTP protocol. It can only work with one program at a time. That is, if you have another app currently intercepting your Android phone for file transfer, such as the standard image capture program, you'll need to disable it to work correctly in Commander One. Then Commander One will be able to connect to the device without any problems and allow you to perform all operations. In all other cases, if the system does not see your phone, then most likely there is a problem with the connection. Check the cable for damage and ensure it can transfer files. Also, check your external hub if you're using one. It is better to use the USB cable that comes with your phone. I would like to take this opportunity to tell you more about Commander One and its cool features. You can, for example, transfer files from your phone to cloud storage directly via MTP. Commander One supports Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and others. If you have archives on your phone, you can view the contents without unpacking, and if necessary, add files to the archive without unzipping it. Another cool feature is the ability to search for files on the device and throughout the system. And even if your file is within an archive, Commander One will also find it. Thank you for watching the video up to this point, because I have a discount for you on all the functionality of the Commander One program. Find details in the description below the video. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Bye.